customers. The party's gonna suck unless it's something more exciting. What's more exciting? Somebody give me the answer! In your life, then come with me. What was that?
You are about to be on the ride of your life. Welcome to Pyroville Fireworks.
Hi, welcome to Pyroville Fireworks. Let me show you around.
Here at Pyroville, we believe that customer service is number one. As you can see, our well-trained employees are showing our customer around. We make sure that every tour has a little bit of a personal touch just for your personal enjoyment. Look at that. So come on into Pyroville Fireworks, where we believe that safety, great customer service, and amazing prices are the three ingredients that you need to have an amazing 4th of July celebration. So please come into one of our various locations. You're welcome, America. Excitement in your life, then follow me. Hold on, restart, redo.
Gag reel.
Okay.
Do you need another basket?
I think that's plenty. You think that's enough footage?
No, keep going.
No, keep going. Oh, Jesus.
Here are
Hold on, yeah, we'll like kick ahead.
here's the dollar items.
All right.
Let me redo that, okay.
This is for the outtakes.
Let me see
It's
it.
for the outtakes. No, the evil galactic warrior princess is attacking our store owner. Whatever shall she do? Oh, I see. She prevails with our above better prices. And as you see, the warrior princess has been defeated by the Pyroville mistress. Look at her.